Hi friends, I'm Madhav Sheth and CEO of Realme India. Today, we are launching Realme X3 series. We are introducing a dual engine strategy, which is a smartphone plus AIoT. To be one step closer to our vision, we have strategically defined our AIoT products portfolio in three different categories: personal, home, and travel. In the personal category, we have been introducing wearable and audio products. In the home category, we are offering more smart TVs, speakers, and many more this year. And finally, in the brand new travel category, we are introducing the range of accessories from in-car chargers, backpack, to stylish luggage cases. We are going to add another audio accessory in our product portfolio in India, the in-ear true wireless Realme Buds Cube, and the brand new Realme Adventure Backpack.
I'm Sri Hari, Product Manager, Realme India. We've invited some of the top trend designers and artists from various fields across the world to form the Realme Design Studio, the Realme Buds Q, and it has been designed by the French design master, Jose Levy. The curve in Realme Buds Q perfectly fits the human ear canal and provides comfort and adequate firmness to the consumers. The surface of the charging case is treated with 9 micron spark process to achieve a frosted texture, presenting quite black and quite white. The trendy and stylish Realme Yellow will also appear on the Realme Buds Q. The Buds Q is as light as they look. The weight of a single bud is only 3.6 grams. Even with the charging case, it only weighs about 35 grams. They offer an amazing battery life of a total of 20 hours of music playback. Not just that, the Buds Q can also be connected to any device via Bluetooth 5. In fact, it comes with a support feature of auto connecting when the charging case is open. The side of the Buds Q also have a touch area to support multiple touch controls, such as switching music or going to the next track. When it comes to gaming, the Buds Q will definitely become a hit among consumers with super low latency gaming mode. And with the large 10mm bass boost driver for audio quality, you can enjoy an immersive sound experience. Additionally, Buds Q also supports IPX4 water and sweat resistance. We are positive that the Buds Q will be the best entry-level in-ear TWS buds that you can buy. Today we are launching the Realme Adventurer Backpack to make your travel experiences smoother. The flip cover with buckles enables user to move belongings in and out of the bag quickly with utmost safety. We added extra padded silk handles and pearl cotton straps. Realme Adventurer Backpack is made of 650D high-density Oxford cotton, which is both durable and lightweight. The backpack material has been IPX4 rated. The Adventurer Backpack comes with 32-liter super large capacity. If you take a closer look at the side zipper sleeve, it has been specially designed for laptops so that the bag can hold a variety of other small items too. Additionally, the two large and stable side pockets are apt for carrying things like water bottles, chargers, or power banks. We also have an anti-theft buckle on the bag so that you can keep your precious belongings safe. The Realme Adventurer Backpack is equipped with a trolley strap that can easily fix the bag onto a luggage. The backpack was designed with a special compartment for the laptop and more space to hold the books with comfortable shoulder straps and waterproof material which helps protect laptops and other electronics on a rainy day. To sum it up, it's large, it's durable, it is trendy, and above all, it is functional and useful. And we hope that it becomes your best travel buddy for all your exciting trips. Currently, the Realme Adventurer Backpack will only be available in black, and more colors will follow soon. Now let's talk about the much-awaited Realme X3 series. Over to you, Nidhi.
Hello everyone, I'm Nidhi, Product Manager, Realme India. We bring to you the Realme X3 and the Realme X3 Super Zoom. The Realme X3 Super Zoom is equipped with an all-new periscope camera with 60x Super Zoom. For our X3 Super Zoom, we have chosen two colors, Glacier Blue and Arctic White. While the Glacier Blue version uses a highlighted glass surface to give a very shiny and a reflective effect, as well as a striking light effect. The Arctic White uses the anti-glare process that gives this beautiful back a matte finish. Combined with the 64-megapixel main camera, the Realme X3 Super Zoom can achieve up to 60x hybrid zoom. It also has an ultra-wide-angle lens and a macro lens. The camera in X3 Super Zoom has up to 8 million pixels with 5x optical zoom functionality and focal length 124mm. This time, we bring to you the all-new Nightscape 4.0. The Starry mode. With the help of the Starry mode, I believe that Realme X3 Super Zoom will definitely set a new trend. Let's take a look again at that sample picture. What we have actually done is that we have deeply integrated high-quality lens, high-sensitivity sensors, and extreme multi-frame algorithms to finally bring to you the perfect starry sky feature. The autofocus takes more than 10 ultra-long exposure photos and eventually processes it with multi-frame synthesis. At the end of this process, the camera is able to perfectly reproduce every detail of the starry sky, along with balanced brightness and less noise. With the Nightscape 4.0, we have also incorporated an additional feature, a manual Pro Nightscape mode, with which you can not only adjust ISO, shutter speed, white balance, and focus, but also the same multi-frame synthesis algorithm as the Super Night scene. Besides that, we have added a tripod mode as well. For those of you who have a knack for selfies, we have got two powerful cameras inbuilt in the Realme X3 Super Zoom. We have chosen dual cameras here, that is a 32-megapixel Sony 80 degrees wide angle for the main camera with IMX616 and an 8-megapixel 105-degree super wide-angle camera. The front camera is specially optimized for portrait mode, and it ensures that the face looks bright even in low-light conditions with the Selfie Nightscape feature. The phone is equipped with a flagship Snapdragon 855 Plus mobile platform. The Realme X3 Super Zoom is also equipped with TurboWrite and HPB technology that increases reading and writing speeds and can also maintain the speed consistency even after long-term use. In terms of ROM, the Realme X3 Super Zoom is upgraded with dual-channel UFS 3.0. The display has a 120 Hz refresh rate. These are a list of games that will be supported by the 120 Hz ultra-smooth display. The display of the phone offers FHD Plus level resolution, a 20:9 aspect ratio, 480 nits peak brightness, and is also protected by 2.5D Gorilla Glass 5. It comes with a 30-watt dart charge, and it takes only 55 minutes to charge the 4200 mAh battery fully. A special liquid cooling system has been introduced, which consists of several different high-efficient cooling materials that provide 100% full coverage to the core heating source. The Realme X3 Super Zoom will offer the latest generation side-mounted fingerprint sensor with an unlock time of only 0.3 seconds. I can assure you that every touch on the Realme X3 Super Zoom will be an enjoyable experience, which is because of the tactile linear motor on the phone. As for sound, Realme X3 Super Zoom is equipped with 1216 super linear speakers and supports Dolby Atmos and high-res certification. It also supports dual-channel GPS in L1 plus L5 bands. We also have another model for you to choose from, the Realme X3. This phone is another amazing option for you. It will be equipped with the same powerful specifications, including Snapdragon 855 Plus, a 120 Hz display, and the same starry mode. The only difference is the front camera and the 20x 64-megapixel quad camera. But we promise you that it won't compromise on any of the core user experiences. Finally, it's time to unveil the super prices. Over to you, Madhav.
The Realme Buds Q will be priced at ₹1,999 only and will be available for sale from 1st of July, 12 noon on realme.com as well as on Amazon. The Realme Adventure Backpack is priced at ₹1,499 and will be available for sale from 1st of July, 12 noon, available on realme.com, Flipkart as well as on Amazon. The Realme X3 Super Zoom is available in two variants. 12GB, 256GB would be priced at ₹32,999 only. The Realme X3 Super Zoom 8GB, 128GB would be priced at ₹27,999. Yes, we have two more variants for Realme X3 as well, with 8GB, 128GB and 6GB, 128GB. The price for Realme X3 8GB, 128GB would be priced at ₹25,999. The Realme X3 6GB, 128GB would be priced at ₹24,999 only. The Realme X3 series will be available on Flipkart and realme.com with the first sale starting from 12 noon on 30th June and will be soon available in the stores nearby you. That's all for our Dare to Leap show today. See you next time.